Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm one of the artists who normally be helping out at the art and craft workshops up at the McWilliam Gallery and Studio. Unfortunately at the moment, because of everything that's going on, we have to stay at home to stay safe. But that doesn't mean we couldn't or shouldn't be making art. So I'm bringing to you a couple of ideas for different things that you can do at home over the Easter holidays. So this is an idea that I had for making a little barn wrap picture. Easter themed, of course, the little bunny. So to do this, there are a couple of ingredients you might need. Some nice colourful wool, some sellotape or double-sided tape, which is what this one is, felt tip, some scissors, and 2 colourful pieces of card. Okay? So when you get all those together, you can start by turning your card the other way around. Okay? And for this one, I'm going to do a big Easter egg. So you want to draw a nice big Easter egg sort of shape. So something like this. Okay? We're going to cut this out. So nothing too complicated. A nice big round Easter egg shape is what I'm going to do. And I missed a wee bit there, so I can just fix it because nobody's going to see this side. So it'll be okay. So then we're going to cut it out. Now if you don't like using scissors, I'm sure you can find an adult that can help you. So to cut something like this, what we need to do, because we want it into the middle, is we cut a little tiny little slit just in the centre there. That means we can squeeze our scissors in to cut it around. So we go right like that, and then we just cut out our shape. Okay. And just go the whole way around. A nice big shape. And that will create like a little window for you to create your art. Once you've got that done, you can get rid of the inside. Okay? And now you've got that lovely big Easter egg shape. I'm going to fix that little end there. Okay? So then what you want to do is stick your double-sided tape on either side of your egg, probably along the long ways, okay? So I'm getting my double-sided tape here. And I'm going to stick from there to there. And then I'm going to cut it. And then do the same on the other side. Just like that. Cut it again. Okay. Then, what I'm going to do is peel this little bit off. Once that's peeled off, then it'll leave a very sticky tape underneath. And you can sort of see that maybe shining there. That's the really sticky bit. Do the same on the other side. Once you've got that, you're ready to have some fun. Okay, so I've got my coloured wool here. I think I'm going to start with a little bit of green. What you want to do is take the end of it, and because this is quite sticky, be careful. So you just want to put one side, stick it on, that will hold it. Then you go to the other side, stick that side, and then do a crazy pattern, zigzagging across. Remember to take out a good bit of your wool so it doesn't get all stuck onto your picture. You're going to go backwards, forwards, backwards, and forwards. Don't pull too tight because you don't want your egg to start to bend like my one was doing there. And then again, and you finish off, okay? And you can start to see the pattern that that's creating. And then I think I'd quite like to change colour now. So I'll maybe go with a little bit of blue that's here. And I'm going to put it on the floor so it definitely doesn't get onto my picture. Stick a little bit here, there's a little gap. Go across, go across and go back. You can hear how sticky it is. My fingers are sticking to it. And like that, and like that. And I think I'll go one more time up with this blue. Quite like blue. And you can use whatever colour you want. Favourite colour. You can even use paper. If you have any paper in the house, you can rip strips of it and lay them across. Colourful paper works really well with this. Other things that work well with this are if you paint a picture and you rip it into strips. It creates lovely colourful paper too. And just to finish it off, I'm going to use a wee bit of pink. So then just to finish off here, nice little bit of pink. Up, down, up, down. Have to be careful, it's starting to bend a go. Come to the end of my picture. And I'm going to just cut off that final little bit. Then, remember I said 2 bits of paper. It's because we have this other bit as well. So what I'm going to do, because I've finished this now, that was what it looked like on the working side. This is what it looks like on the good side. Isn't that cool? So you could leave it like that, and you could stick it up in the window and look through it, which is quite cool. Or you could give it a backing. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to lay down the colourful side of this bit of paper, and I'm going to lay this one on top of it, just like that, and then press down nice and hard. There we go. And then I've made a lovely Easter egg picture. Okay, thanks very much. Keep safe. See you soon.